Good morning, Mom and Sir. My name is Shiloh Clotario. I'm 39 years old. I'm single. I never married and don't have kids. I'm a college graduate as a computer programming. My working experience before, I worked in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 2 years as a babysitter. I worked in Oman for 2 years and 2 months as a babysitter. I worked in Dubai for 1 year as babysitter and cook. I worked in Hong Kong for 3 months as helper and cook. I can cook Western food, Filipino food, Chinese food, and Arabic food. I can clean, iron, laundry, car wash, marketing, with care, and taking care kids or newborn baby. I'm a hardworking person. I'm passionate about my work and I know how to get the job done. I describe myself as open and honest person, prepared to work alone. Thank you so much, and you can check my profile and Helpers Library.